For more information, contact us at ThinkSafe for our First Voice products and solutions. Hello, this is a quick video covering reports and scheduling reports in your First Voice Manager. First thing you want to do is log in and make sure that you have your organization and your location selected in this top tab. Once you do, head to your Reports tab listed right here. Once that loads in, you can go ahead and click what report you want to view, whether it's AEDs or your AED checks or any of the options listed here. Once you've selected that, go ahead and click Submit. It will download automatically and probably download right to your browser. You'll see it in the bottom left if you have Chrome, and you select that and it'll open up for you on an Excel sheet. Once that's all downloaded, you'll be able to see all of your AEDs listed in the Excel sheet. Here's your locations they're at, the brand, the model, and a lot of details there as well. You can also see your purchase date, warranty date, and the last time that AED was checked. Now, if you want one of these reports sent to your email every so often, head back to First Voice Manager, hover over the Profile drop-down menu, and go to Report Schedule. If you haven't scheduled a report in the past, you won't see anything here. If you want to make a new one, click New right here. You're going to see your organization right here and the location. If anything looks wrong there, make sure to change that. Otherwise, go ahead and click what report you want to get sent to your email right there, and how often you want it to be sent, whether it's weekly, monthly, or yearly. We're going to choose monthly, and you can also choose which day that is sent on, and we're going to choose Monday. So every Monday, every month, that email is going to be sent to the email that you put right here. Go ahead and click Submit. If you ever want to edit that report that's going to be sent to you, go ahead and click Edit on that same tab, and you can change how often that's sent to you or what email it's sent to as well. And that's how you do reports on First Voice Manager. For more information, contact us at ThinkSafe for our First Voice products and solutions.